Hey everyone, today I'm walking you through the clean install of QuickBooks Desktop. Whether you're setting it up on a new machine or just reinstalling, the process is straightforward if you have your license info ready. Let's get to the download. Step 1. Prep your info. First, grab your license number and product number. You can find these in the confirmation email from when you purchased your subscription or by logging into your Intuit account. You'll need these to move past the installation screen. Step 2. Download the installer. Head over to the official QuickBooks Downloads and Updates page. Select your country, product, and the specific version year you're using. Click Download and save the exe file to your desktop or Downloads folder. Step 3. Launch the installation. Open the file you just downloaded. When the installer window pops up, click Next and accept the license agreement. Now, you'll be prompted to enter that license and product number we found in Step 1. Type them in and hit Next. Step 4. Choose installation type. You'll have two options, Express or Custom and Network. If you're a single user on one computer, choose Express. If you're setting this up to host a company file on a server for multiple users, choose Custom. Click Install. Step 5. Activation and update. Once the installation is finished, open QuickBooks. It will ask you to activate, follow the on-screen prompts to sign into your Intuit account. Finally, go to the Help menu and select Update QuickBooks to ensure you have the latest security patches and features. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.